So Annie Otfanoski here with Antora Energy. I am leading business development in Australia for Antora. We are a US-based thermal battery storage company. We are backed by Grok Ventures, BHP, BlackRock, Shell, and others. And we are delivering zero emission heat at low cost, at scale, to industrial customers through Heat as a Service today. So this image you can see here is one of our projects that is doing just that in the US right now. So those white Lego boxes, those are our batteries. We have a modular approach so that we can scale with our customers and we have flexibility around site layout. You'll see that metal building with our logo. That is the boiler house. And then if you look behind it, that's our offtake customers. So we are selling them zero emission steam over the fence through their steam header. So this project is 50 megawatts thermal and it is multiple gigawatt hours. As you can see by the snow, this is a recent photo. This is in the Midwest. So the grid there has quite a bit of excess wind. So the interconnect that we got from the grid, it was over 100 megawatts that we interconnected, and we are procuring wind from the grid through a flexible structure. And we are selling the customer this zero emission steam. And so we have built out all of the necessary power infrastructure and we finance the entirety of this project, including all of that infrastructure, and built the project in under a year. And we are selling the customer steam at cost parity with natural gas. So this is an amazing success story, and we're really proud of this project. And we have a lot of learnings and successes from this model, Heat as a Service, that we are very excited to bring to Australia. So we believe that this is the right market to continue developing projects similar to this one. Heat as a Service is our core business offering because we believe it is the fastest path to thermal decarbonization, and it offers the lowest risk to off-takers. So the biggest barrier is most often CAPEX. So Heat as a Service offers zero CAPEX. As you can imagine, a 100 megawatt interconnect is quite a bit of infrastructure. There was a whole substation, transmission lines, and so that adds a lot of CAPEX for a project. It's not just necessarily the ETES system, it's everything that goes into it. So we take care of all of that. We take care of all of the maintenance, ongoing maintenance costs as well. And then our solution is a drop-in seamless solution. So as you saw in those photos, we are adjacent to our customers' plants. It can be just nearby. We are just sending the steam through the steam header, so we're not integrating into the plant's processes directly. So drop-in solution. And we are competitive with natural gas. So we match the price of natural gas that the customer would have paid, or we often offer discounts to the price of natural gas. So we do this by charging our batteries with low cost power. So we are incredibly flexible on when we charge. So we charge at the lowest hours of the day when there's intermittent renewable energy on the grid, or we can directly connect to a renewable asset. So we charge up carbon blocks and we store that energy in the form of heat up to 1500 degrees Celsius for multiple days while delivering continuous heat to industrial off-takers. We use carbon as our storage medium because it is 4 times as energy dense as electrochemical batteries, and it is 1/10 the cost of lithium ion. It also is incredibly strong. Its lifespan is 30 plus years, and the carbon actually gets stronger with heat over time, so it doesn't degrade. Our current product is Heatcore. Heatcore can deliver hot air up to 360 degrees Celsius, and saturated steam up to 300 degrees Celsius, superheated steam up to 360 at 80 bar. We have multiple day duration, and we're charging typically at a 3-to-1 ratio and have some flexibility around that. And then, as I mentioned, long lifespan, 20 plus years. So this is why we're all here today. Heat as a service. So I've mentioned multiple times, no upfront investment required from the customer. That is the core of the agreement here. There's no CAPEX, and we take care of all of the power procurement. We set up our own separate service, and then we do all of the project development, installation. We come in and we are going to match what you would have paid for natural gas or offer a discount if possible. And the mechanism for how we do that is very flexible. Depends obviously on every plant, but we will work with our customers to find the best mechanism to do just that. We take care of all of the ongoing maintenance. And so ultimately, we view this as very low risk to the customer. So we are coming in and we are offering optionality. So our system is right there offering zero emission steam, and the customer will keep their natural gas fired boilers for redundancy. So that offers kind of a hedge for the customer. So we believe that electricity markets are going to continue to have low pricing available for us to charge our batteries. But we understand that energy markets are changing and there's obviously risk there, and we take all of that on. And the customer still has the option of using their natural gas boilers. So instead of locking in on a technology where you're only locked into energy prices for the long term, if you electrify, or you're locked into natural gas prices, this gives you the optionality and some hedging capability. We believe that there's a lot of reasons to have zero emission steam over the lifetime of a project with us. Different carbon markets are going to open up, and electricity markets and energy markets shift and change. And this is an electrified zero emission steam option that you can have at your plant with zero CAPEX. So we are 300 plus in the US, and now we have established an office in Australia. We're in Sydney, and we are very excited to build out a team here in Australia. And we're very happy to be partnering with organizations like A2EP and gaining that local boots on the ground team and expertise. We're very excited to be here. I'm based in the US, but I am here in Sydney and around. I'm traveling quite a bit all over the country for the next few weeks. So I would love to meet with you. If you are an industrial heat user, I would be very keen to learn about your plant. I'd love to go visit as many plants as possible. I'd love to hear how we can support you on your decarbonization journey. And I will be back and forth. And again, we're building a team here. So we're here to stay. We're very happy to be here. And we believe that heat as a service is going to be successful in the Australian market. So please reach out, and thanks for having me.